Welcome. Prompt engineering. It's a huge field, right? From generating code to creating art. Today, though, we're going to chart one of the biggest and most foundational territories on that map, how you can master AI for language and text.
You know, getting great results from an AI isn't about some secret code. It really is an art. So instead of just a dry list of facts, we're going to build a mind map together, from scratch, showing you exactly how these powerful ideas all connect.
Okay, let's dive in. Every map needs that little "you are here" marker, right? The thing that grounds everything else. So let's establish our core concept first.
Our starting point is prompt engineering use cases. Just think of this as the central hub. Every single technique we explored today is going to branch out from this one fundamental idea.
So from that central point, let's draw our first major branch. This one's a big one: text generation. It's a massive area that covers both the creative and the analytical things you can do with AI.
This branch covers a ton of ground. We're talking everything from crafting poetry to dissecting really dense legal documents. It's all about using prompts to make the AI generate, analyze, and manipulate language in some incredibly powerful ways.
Let's start with a really fun application on this branch: how we can craft brand new realities through creative writing. What's so fascinating here is how prompt engineering completely shifts your role. You're not just a user anymore, you actually become a director or maybe a co-author, guiding the AI's story with your specific instructions.
And this is a perfect illustration of that. See, this isn't just a question, it's a seed. You've given the AI a character, a setting, and a core plot device. From this one little sentence, an entire world can be generated.
Okay, next up, let's explore how prompts can help us boil down information that already exists, starting with two really useful ones: summarization and translation. Summarization is just a massive productivity hack. It's how you conquer information overload, taking a long research paper or a dense report and just getting the essential points.
And the prompt can be that simple. With a clear command like this, you can turn dozens of pages of complex text into a few essential takeaways in literally seconds. It's all about efficiency and clarity.
Now, right next to summarization on our map is its close cousin, translation. Here, the goal isn't really to shorten information, but to make it universally accessible by breaking down those language barriers.
And the key thing to remember here is that modern AI isn't just doing a word-for-word swap. It understands context and nuance to give you a translation that feels natural and, well, accurate. All right, for the final note on this branch, let's explore something that feels a bit more human. How can we use prompts to simulate a natural flowing conversation?
The core technique here is all about setting a personality and a scenario for the AI. You're essentially asking it to role-play, to adopt a persona that's going to guide the entire conversation.
Look closely at the wording here. You are a friendly chatbot. That simple instruction completely changes the game. It gives the AI a job, a purpose, and a tone, guiding it to be helpful, patient, and conversational. And with that, our first branch is complete. Let's just zoom out for a second and look at the visual guide to text generation that we've just built together.
So, from our central hub, we built out this really powerful branch for text generation. See how these four applications, creative writing, summarization, translation, and dialogue, all stem from the same core skill: just giving the AI clear, contextual instructions.
Ultimately, prompt engineering isn't just a list of commands to memorize, it's a map of possibilities. We've charted one territory today, so the only question left is, where will you explore first?